In today's video, I am going to teach you how to freeze header in Confluence table. Freezing the header keeps your column titles visible as you scroll, which makes long tables much easier to read and compare. Let's walk through it clearly so you can set it up in just a minute. Start by opening the Confluence page that contains your table. Then switch into edit mode. You'll know you are in the editor when you can click into the content and make changes. Once you are editing, click anywhere inside your table. This step is important because it tells Confluence that you want to work with the table tools and it reveals the table-specific options you'll need. With your cursor inside the table, look for the Table Options dropdown. Open that menu and select Header Row. The moment you turn it on, the first row of your table will be highlighted with a distinct background color. That visual change confirms you've converted the top row into a true header. Behind the scenes, this also tells Confluence to keep that row sticky or fixed in place when viewers scroll through the table. Next, type your column headings into that top row. Use clear, concise labels that describe exactly what's in each column. Consistent wording helps your teammates scan the table quickly and reduces confusion, especially when you are dealing with many rows of data. If your headings are already there, you are all set. The header formatting will simply apply to the existing text. When you are happy with your headings, it's time to make the change live. Click Publish or Update depending on whether you are creating a new page or editing an existing one. Publishing or updating is essential because the sticky behavior is best experienced on the published page rather than in the editor. Now view your page and scroll down the table. You'll see that the top row remains visible while the rest of the table moves beneath it. This makes it much easier to compare values across columns without losing track of what each column represents. If the header doesn't appear to stick, double-check that the header row option is enabled and that your table is long enough to require scrolling. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.